Hello guys, let's continue revising. We have this question. So they're saying the Venn diagram below illustrates the number of pupils who take mathematics, physics and chemistry at Imishila Secondary School. Write an expression in terms of x for the total number of pupils who take physics. Okay, who take physics. So this is a set of people or learners who took what? Physics. So when we're asked to write an expression, so an expression will be simple. This is an expression. So you have how many x's there? Have 2, so it'll be x plus x plus 3 plus 5. X plus x is 2x. 3 plus 5 is 8. So this is an expression and this is the answer. Simple. Okay, then the second question, which is question B, we are asked to calculate the values of x and y, given that 22 pupils take physics, okay, take physics, and 20 take what? Mathematics. Okay, so this is very simple. Of those that take physics, so we have B here. Of those that take physics is just 2x plus 8 is equals to what? We are given 22, so we're going to say 22. Why have I gotten this one? It's because you need to add all the members in what? Set P here for physics and equate to what? 22. All right. So this is going to give us, we're going to have 2x is equals to, you subtract 8 from both sides. This is positive, or in other words, the 8 crosses the cosine and becomes negative. Then we have 2x is equals to 22 minus 8. Okay, 22 minus 8, 14. So we are going to divide both sides by 2. Okay, so I'll divide both sides by 2. X is going to be 2 into 14, 7. So x is 7. Now what is the value of y? Okay, what is the value of y? Where is y? Okay, those who took mathematics. Okay, this is very simple. So mathematics, we have, so we're going to say 3y plus 2y plus x plus 3 is equals to what? Is equals to 20. Okay, is equals to 20. Okay, is equals to 20. So you need to add everything in that set. So 3y plus 2y is 5 what? 5y. Okay, what is the value of x? We've already calculated the value of x is what? Is 7. So we're going to say plus 7. So in short, you have 7 plus 3, 10 is equals to 20. Okay, so 5y is equals to 20 minus 10. All right, 20 minus 10 is 10. So you can just simply divide both sides by what? By 5, here 5, here 5. And the value of y is what? 5 into 10, 2. Okay, that's it. So that's all to this question. Just understanding the concept, that's all.